Whoa.
Don't let the chickens out.
You see, Mom?
Hi. Oh, that's not food for you. Hi, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, goat. Hello. All right, go get them some food.
Where?
In the tack room. I know, they're gonna follow you to go get food. Oh wow.
What?
Okay, ready? Go ahead, all the way in. All the way in. Go dump it over there. Dump it in the bowl. Dump it all in there. Good job. Okay, come on this way. Come out. Okay, come on. Bring it out. You got an egg. All right. Nope, don't take any more. All right, Levi, did you feed your chickens?
But Mommy,
Give me a thumbs up.
that one must have a chicken.
Okay, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up.